Okay, and we're live. Audio's working. I got everything up. There's the stream layout chart. Here's the Top Step X chart. Got everything up that I need to have up. Cool. Okay, great. I am super tired this morning. I almost didn't even stream. I was just like, I'm just gonna go sleep. I'll do it tomorrow. But tomorrow, I mean Tuesday. I don't know if I'll stream on Monday. Alright. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Just checking my messages right now. Ooh. Literally just woke up. Which is not good. I try not to trade right after waking up. It is one of like the rules or things that I had written down a while ago where it's like, don't trade right after waking up. But we're not going to be. We'll be awake for 30 minutes and then we'll get trading. So excited for the 3-day weekend. Today is Friday, January 17th, 2025. It's currently 9:12 a.m. And yeah. I see a few different things. Oh, check out a few different things here. Step on the gas when I see police. Actually, I'm feeling okay. I'm feeling pretty good. I was pretty excited. I was really excited. I was really excited to trade this morning, and I just said I almost didn't because I'm tired in the morning. But overall, I've been pretty excited to stream and to be trading. Oh, so today's 17. There's 8:30. Actual red screen 150. Okay, that's the amount of time until this news comes out. So we've got a bunch of news coming out right before the market opens. And 9:15, there's nothing else. So we'll just wait. We've had a huge uptrend, so yeah, I don't know where it's gonna go. It's crazy because I can be okay at predicting where the market's going, but it's like I have an idea where the market's going, but it's really not about predicting, it's just about reacting to it. So every day, I have no idea what's gonna happen. I have no idea what this market's gonna be doing, where it's gonna be in the next hour, 2 hours. I have an idea. I think I know what I'm looking for. I'd be looking for pullback and then a breakthrough, like we always do, or break down, something like that. Break below there. Come back, retest this, break below it, retest it. Oh, well, I don't know. I don't know what it's gonna do. It could do this. Could go. I wonder if I can do a parallel. Could do like, boop, boop. What the? Could do this. Just go sideways. So we'll see. We'll see what it does. Hopefully I'll stop yawning. I was doing a lot of yawning yesterday. I don't really know what to talk about too. I can't just get on here and just start talking. I had some ideas of what I was going to talk about and forgot them all. Okay, I do want to add on this one at the very least, Tokyo session. Perfect, bro. That's great. Of course, these are not the actual sessions. So if you watch the customization video where I set up the sessions, I like having a sessions indicator on the screen. It just helps to be able to immediately see time frames. Well, I've changed it. I've changed it to the time frames I'm more interested in. So here's the close of the previous day. We're gonna have a huge gap down. Doesn't look like that news hugely influenced the market, but it's been going up and it was positive news. Overall, the daily is how we've been doing. Let's go to look at the daily. I was thinking it was going to go down. After I closed yesterday, I was thinking it was going to go down. If we close above this, I might look to break above this current trend, maybe make new highs. Ooh. Yeah, so there's something. We have just been going straight up. I would expect some pullback. There's no top wick on here. I would expect, see how like every one of these candles has wick on the bottom, wick on the top. I'm gonna expect this to if it does push up, it's gonna pull back a little bit. It's gonna close lower than. It's gonna have a wick that's gonna close lower than the high of the day. It's not gonna close at the high of the day. If you did, I think that would be extremely bullish. But market does whatever it wants. If it closes above there, I think that's bullish too. I don't know. And we'll look for it to kind of move to up here. Where is this? 61,000? So maybe 62,000? We'll look for it to test 62,000. Maybe 61,800s. So here's the Nasdaq, here's the actual index. And we're going to be way up here when the market opens. So .1 hour. Let's check the 4 hour first. Just looking to see if I see anything. Am I seeing that? I'm mostly just looking for really anything that stands out, anything that seems interesting. Highs and lows, tops and bottoms, breaks, wicks, gaps, patterns. Hourly chart looks really interesting. Yeah, the hourly chart looks really good. Alright, I'm done yawning. No more yawning. I just want to go back to sleep. Let me make a few trades for the stream. Maybe make $1,000. Then I'm going back to sleep. We're above the RSI. My RSI is weighted pretty heavily where it doesn't cross above here too often. So yeah, I think I would look for shorts here. I wouldn't be comfortable buying up here. And we're almost at a good short opportunity. Really good opportunity. Could make some really good money. Of course, I'm only trading in the practice account. Still in the practice account. I don't know when I'll be in a funded account, to be honest. I don't really have my finances in a position where I can go through the funded account valuation process and everything, take the combine, and you have to pay the activation fee. But right now I'm just kind of focusing on the practice account, trading it as if it was a funded account. This is exactly how I'd want to trade it. Really my goal is to, okay, well I will say this, I want to trade the practice account for a while, get used to trading it on stream, get used to just doing this basically. Until I'm comfortable doing this, then I won't trade into the actual account, And then I want to get used to trading on stream. I want to get used to trading in the morning. I want to get used to doing those things until I move over to the funded account. Really know my stats, and really I want to have I want to have a red day, because that's really what messed me up last time. Was trading. I was up $20,000 over the course of 2 weeks, where I was taking about $2,000 a day out of the market, and then I had one red day, and the red day blew up the entire account, blew up all the accounts. So that's really the last thing that I need to work on, is knowing when to walk away on a red day. And it's difficult. It's difficult to know that. And so, it's because you can come back. I often come back a lot. Like, I'll be down. Like yesterday, I was down over $1,000, and then I came back. And I ended up 2,000. And so I'll often come back when I'm down $2,000. I'll come back to break even and be up money for the day. And so, yeah, and so it's hard to know when to just take a red day, when you gotta decide, like, market's not going the way that I want it to. I'm not in the right mindset. That kind of thing. And walk away and end dread. End on a loss. But I mean, we'll talk about it more as something like that happens. There are ways you can tell when the market's not going that your way, or when you don't feel that well, or when you should walk away. It's similar to, walking away profitable, because all it is reacting to what the market's doing, reading into the market, and so it's kind of like, one way you can think about it is, why should I walk away? I can always, one way to think about it is, I can always be trading, right? I can trade whenever I want to. I can trade every move. Why should I walk away, right? Like, I could have got these moves, I could have got all these moves, and the same thing when red. It's like, okay, like I'm red now, but if I kept trading, I'll be green, and I'll get profitable trades, and I'll make the money back. I'm not gonna be red forever, but it's not a way you should think about it. Not a way I can do it. I can't trade all day. Some people can. I trade for the open, and that's it. That's all I do. And in fact, the day that I had a red day, I was trading until like 10:30, and that's when I blew up. I think I made my money back by 10 o'clock, and then I kept trading until 10:30 to try to get end the day more profitable, and yeah, it blew up. So we'll see. That's really my goal, is to actually have a few red days. I'm not gonna try to have red days, but once I know I can take losses, once I know I'm sticking to the strategy, once I know I'm sticking to leveraging, contract sizing, that's when I'll really take it funded. And hopefully I'll be able to get payout and everything. It's still early. Like, my goal was really to get a payout the first week of February. So we're still in that process. Like, end of January to mid-February is when I was wanting a payout for this year. And so we're still in that process. Tons of time. Anyways, I don't even know what to talk about. Just kind of talking. The video yesterday was good. The stream yesterday was really good, I thought. Yeah. 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 All the news that's come out has been good news. How do I get out of here? There we go. I was strapped. I was stuck on that PDF. Alright, we got 1 minute. We got 15 seconds, actually. "15 seconds. The market should be open. Where is it on this screen? I want to see the market on this one. There we go. Should I jump in short? Where the fuck is my... Sorry. I kind of want to. You know, like, I really think that this goes down. Obviously, like, it's gonna go down. Like, it's gonna get some pullback. We're so far extended. So if we just wait, boom, $1,000. I wasn't even looking at how much that was. But I know my risk there made me super nervous. I was like, I don't want to take a loss. Really don't want to take a loss. And it's what's it called? The setup was okay. Like we had the break here, right, open in the gap, high volume going down. You know, retest the MA and everything. But and so I follow the strategy. We had it set up. Um, it's important not to just be like, oh, it's obviously gonna go down. Don't get in because something's obviously gonna go down or it's obviously gonna go up. But follow the strategy, follow the setup. We had a setup there, so I wasn't just jumping in because it's obviously gonna go down. Don't do that, but do follow the plan. Now I want to see it push up, retest. Okay, good. I'm gonna sort this again. Ah, come on. I want it to just move down. If it stays, I'm getting out because I don't want to hold trades long. Check it out there. $600, $500, $400, $300, $600, $200. New low. It's hard to see all these screens. I'm gonna move this over. I'm in a short right now, but I want to be able to see what's going on these charts. Okay, I'm moving the stop to, and I'm in profit. I moved it to here, and we got hit though. Could definitely keep on shorting. I think maybe even target down here. We get a 100-point move. Sell and do it again. Sell and do it again. Just gonna keep on shorting. These moves down. I haven't even looked at that Heiken Ashi candle. Holding a trade for this long makes me super nervous. But if we can get a move down, we can move the stop to break even, and then we're chilling. I want it to just close below here. If we close below here, that's all that I would need. We did not close below there. We did fucking... Didn't even close down at all. It's okay. We're good. Where's this? What price is that at? I could probably just pull this up on the 600s. So it wants me to put my stop up here. Is that something I'm comfortable with? Holding on to a losing position. One of my rules is I'm not going to be leveraging into positions. Really want to avoid that. So if this does break down, not selling more of it, just holding with my current size and everything. I really think this goes to like 400s, like 450s and stuff, so. We're already at our profit target for the day, too, so now of course I'd need to get out for 0 to hold that because I'm in trade now. $620, that's too high. I like the 604 we were holding. It really wants to go down, I think. If it closes below here. Not yet. See, like now it's like I'm up $1,000. I don't want to get out for $100, but better to be safe than sorry, I think. Come on. Seriously, and now like look at that, and I had such a good position. It makes me upset. Um Fuck, dude. I'm super upset by that. That like my gut just doesn't feel right. I should have just held. I had no reason to move it down there when my position was super safe anyways. I'm so frustrated. I want to just rage into it. It's going to like 500 though. Goes there. I guess I'm done for the day then. Right? I wanted to sell more into the 500. Let's sell a little bit more. Target 500s. I'm out. I'm at 508. This would have been a whole lot of money. Probably like $5,000 or something. But one of the rules for the we're trading on Top Step. That's the prop firm. Huh. But one of the rules for a lot of different prop firms and for getting paid out is a consistency rule in the funded phase. And what that means is in order to get a payout, your profit has to be, or your winning days have to be about 30% of your overall profit. So, and it's broken into payout days, right? Top Step doesn't have that. So I could make, $100,000 in one day. I can really only make like $50,000 in one day. And then as long as I trade for 5 days, I can get paid out. But other firms, excuse me, they'll have a consistency target in that payout phase of like 30%. So if you make $10,000 certain amount of days, you can't make 10,000 in all one day. It has to be 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. So if I were to have made, $5,000 right there in that one move, I wouldn't be able to get paid out on all of that until I had made another 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Because that 5,000 has to be consistent. We didn't hit my profit target there. Not yet, at least. I'm going to try to get one more. I really am upset about moving that, so I think I should be a little bit more careful, but I don't know. It is better to be safe. Like, I'm up $3,000. It could have gone anywhere. We didn't know. Like, it could have gone anywhere, but after coming back down with what price is currently doing, it's like we could have held that. Let's try to get another one. We're getting another setup here. I did sell into that. I think it makes new lows. I'm targeting right at the low. If we lose this, we lose all of our profit on the day. That would not be good. That would suck. $508 triggers my alert. Let's just hold. Alright, we're up $4,000 on the day. I'm done for the day. I don't need to trade anymore. I'm already kind of like feeling like emotional, so it's going to affect my decision making. And we're up a lot of money. So here's our stats. I don't think we had any losing trades today. We didn't take one losing trade. 100% win rate on the day. 5 trades overall. And our best day, we're up $7,000 on the week. we'd be up a lot more if I'd held. But it's all good. I'm not gonna complain too much about it. And I think it's safe. I think like I'm really getting frustrated about something I should be doing too. And I think I did okay because you gotta not jump in. You can't like, for example, if I move my stop loss down like I had to break even, and then it gets hit. Not only you can also want to like get right back in it, but your position's gonna be different. I don't know. You can't just jump right back into it because now the setup's not there. The trade's different. I really wanted this to be like the end screen. Imagine this if this was times 5. Like if I'd copy traded this across 5 different accounts, I'd be up 40 grand. That's the goal. That's really what I'm hoping to do. If I can keep doing this, I think it's totally possible. Excuse me. Could make $100,000 in 2 weeks. That would be the goal, man. That would really be. That's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to do. Let's take a look at a few of these other days. Earn rate's good here too. Yeah, it's that first trade. So definitely be careful of the first trades. Still holding on to losers. But you got to. Sometimes. You don't got to. I don't know. It's really hard to like talk about some things because some things I just know. Like some things I just like think. I just know. But I don't know how to properly talk about it, or I don't know. First off, no one really watches these. I think I know like 2 people. I only know like 2 people that actually watch these. And I don't think they watch all of them, other than myself. So I'm really the only person that watches these. Trade direction. They were all short. That's funny. I don't know. I don't think you should be getting long in this market. I'm dying. And I don't know, I'm kind of nervous about people learning stuff. Oh, you can see my tabs when I do move the screen. What if I can, like, hide the bookmark folder? I can. Now? Interesting. I might do that more. Hide by bookmarks. Yeah, interesting. I didn't know I could do that. "100% win rate." There's really not too much you could do. I like analyze based off of 100% win rate. Short hold times, just quickly scalping the market. But yeah, so it's like when I say it's like I should have held longer, it's like I don't know, like I'm saying that, but I don't really know if I mean that. Um, because I think I should have waited, but at the same time, also think that I kind of should have done what I did: move it to break even, protect yourself. But like, it's like at that point, the trade's already like so far down. I don't know. You know what I mean? I'm still talking about it though. Kind of tired of talking about it. I just want to look at the charts somewhere. I'm gonna be done. I'm done for the day. I'm going back to sleep. I gotta go to work. I got other things that I can do too. If I don't, I should probably. I gotta go print some papers and there's some documents that I gotta take care of. Look at this. CL and gold's at 70% longs. Crude oil's going up. Gold also going up. I don't know. We'll see if they keep going up. But we're almost at time here. Probably could short again. Definitely could short again. Look at that. It went all the way. This is where I was saying it was going to go. Incredible. Incredible. We're going to end it there. All right. We'll see you on. I think I'll try to stream on Monday. I don't know if I'll place any trades. It'll be a market day, so we'll see what happens. If I don't end up streaming, I'll be back on Tuesday.